In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Dialpad. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can start your free trial with confidence. First, open your web browser and head over to dialpad.com. I recommend using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, and make sure you're on the official site with a secure connection. Once the page loads, look for the option to get started. You might see Login at the top. From there, choose Sign Up. On some pages, you'll see a Try Free or Sign Up button front and center. Any of these will take you to the right place to begin. Next, decide how you want to register. Dialpad lets you sign up using your Google account, your Microsoft 365 account, or your email address. If you already use Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 for work, linking one of those accounts can make setup faster and keep everything under a single sign-in. If you prefer to keep things separate, the email option works just as well. The key is to choose the method you'll be comfortable using every day. Now, fill in the requested information on the screen. This typically includes basic details so Dialpad can create your workspace. You may be asked to add a payment method, but don't worry, there's a 14-day free trial and you won't be charged during that period. It's a good idea to review the trial dates and set yourself a reminder if you want to evaluate billing later. Double-check your business details and region to ensure your account and future phone numbers align with where you operate. Once you complete sign-up, Dialpad will assign two numbers automatically. The first is your direct Dialpad number, which functions as your personal business line. This is the number you'll share for one-to-one calls and texts tied specifically to you. The second is your mainline number, which is designed for your business or team. Think of it as the front door to your organization. Customers call this number, and you can route those calls to teammates, set business hours, and manage how calls are handled as your team grows. Even if you're a team of one today, having a main line helps you scale without changing your contact info later. That's it. Your account is set, your free trial is active, and you have both a direct number and a main line ready to use. Explore your dashboard, place a quick test call, and you're off to a strong start.